Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help FANS Wethu TV get to 40,000 subscribers. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Nedbank Cup semi-finals. Mamelodi Sundowns vs Stellenbosch, Chipa vs Orlando Pirates. I'm joined by KG.
Steve, how is it, my brother?
I'm not.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Because I see two teams that aren't your team.
And now, Stellies,
Okay.
Stellenbosch, my second home. My second home, our development site.
Yeah.
No harm meant when I say that.
Yeah.
We've got Mtetwa. Maybe we can still get our Basedin and Fanvey. So, team very close, to us. One of the teams that we have a very good business relationship with.
Yes, sir.
Nedbank Cup, the Cup of Dreams. The biggest club competition in the country.
Yeah.
The one that can give you a ticket to the CAF Confederations Cup and a competition that also brought Batubotshwana Lebo Mudiba. I don't know if Mlindo and Bobo knows this. Mudiba came from the Kiona team. Yeah, he came from there. So maybe they don't know. Maybe I'm schooling them. I don't know.
Yeah,
maybe
you
I
are.
am.
You
Yeah.
are.
So this is the biggest club competition in the country. It gives both the DSTV Premiership sides, the lower division sides, an opportunity. The younger boys can actually showcase their talents on the bigger stage and maybe win money also.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Leko Moses Mabida, I played against TS Galaxy back in 2019, and you know what happens.
Yeah.
And at the time, Nabalitla said go NFD. You understand? So not many teams can get this opportunity. What I can say is that for the younger players, whenever they get a chance to play in the Nedbank Cup, but push as much as they can because you never know where you will end up. Coming into my predictions.
Because there's 1.25 mil.
Yeah, 1.25 mil.
This team.
Yes. There's a lot of money at stake. Stellenbosch, Akizore Sundowns, itloba stopakai dintwana tsa Stellenbosch. To be honest, they are free scoring. They've got the energy to goal. They were able to tomaga Sundowns. Sundowns ba kena Orlando Pirates. So Akizele no Sundowns yoko ragama because they are not scoring. Ribeiro is a good player. Take nothing away from the guy, but at the moment I realize that if it's Zwane is not in the game, Ribeiro tends to flop a bit. You understand? His final or third final touches going into the final third. Sometimes they are poor because they don't find the extra man. You understand?
Yeah.
So they lost a lot of balls there in Atteridgeville. And you know he's the maestro. He must come to the party. If Shalulile and Zwane are not in the game, he must show that they spend a lot of money on him. You understand? So a good player, but I still believe he's not gonna do anything to Stellies. Stellies are very well organized. They've won a lot of games. When the game is a buyer, like I'm saying, the only thing it will stop Stellenbosch from winning their games. Last game, this season. So Stellenbosch will definitely go to the final.
Will they take the final, though, KG?
They will take the final. They will take the final, but I think the biggest challenge right now for them is Orlando Pirates. I still believe the Orlando Pirates defense hasn't been tested well enough.
Yes, sir.
But the attack, the likes of Ratomo Maswangani, they'll pose a big threat to the center backs, maybe the full backs of Stellies, Toure and the likes of Mugaga, or if they choose, I think there's a boy by the name of Ngaba, and then you've got the likes of Basedin, you understand? So those boys will have a big test, but I think at the time when the final arrives, they'll be ready.
KG, I favor Stellenbosch fella, my brother. Did you re-register on nedbankcup.co.za?
Yes, I re-registered, my brother, and I'm looking forward to bagging in the money.
The share of 5 million.
Yeah, the share of the 5 million.
It's a lot, my brother.
It's a lot, my brother. It can change a lot of lives. It's not only for me, but obviously also family. You understand? Yeah. So there's a lot of money at stake.
Yeah.
And congratulations to the team that made it to the semi-finals.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for Stellies and Orlando Pirates in the final.
The points now, di bile ra boya vela o kgetha team engwe.
Yes, they will.
Or di bile kaofela.
Yeah, di bile kaofela.
From your weekly activities.
Yes.
Last week was swipile. This week, actually, cut down just twice.
I did twice yesterday.
Any amount, my brother, and you can win an inverter this week. I did 19. So about
yeah, that's why I get there's a lot at stake to win, opportunities to win. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to that.
Thank you.
Thank you.